Do you have any recommendations on how to calendar out the big picture and annual operational items for the organisation? For example, open enrolment for benefits, annual meetings twice a year, board meetings on the fourth Thursday of the month, etc. I'm trying to be one step ahead of my CEO, but I don't quite know where to start. You need to understand the dependencies. That is, what needs to be in place so that these big events can happen. The best thing to do is speak to the stakeholders, the company secretary, the HR director, COO, meet with the key people involved and get their advice. Once I have this information, there are two main things I do. The first is to check for public holidays or school holidays in any of the countries involved. Check for anything happening that could impact the item you're scheduling. The next thing I do is send a placeholder to all of the internal stakeholders. Once they've received the placeholder and you haven't had any complaints and you've had a chance to think about it, you can then go ahead with making it official.